In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Laravel, one of the ways. Okay, I'm in a folder where I'm going to keep the projects for this channel. And so all I need to do is run a composer command. So I'm going to type composer create project. And what I want to install is Laravel, which is the package name. And I'm going to give it an app name. So I'm going to say my app, just for the example here. Now, when I run that, it's going to create the folder called my app, and then it's going to install Laravel into that folder. So this is going to do all the work necessary to get the project ready to go. Now that it's done, all we have to do is move into that folder, and we can spin up a simple server that they provide by typing PHP artisan serve. Now the development server is running. All right, now that the server is running, all I need to do is go to http 127.0.0.1/, 8000. That's the port that it runs on for that particular server. And watch the magic. There's your app. That quick. We've spun up a Laravel instance. Now there's obviously more to it than that, but the purpose of this video is just to show you how quickly you can fire up this framework and get started if you want to. Now, obviously, you're not going to do that for production. There's a lot more to do, but this is primer level stuff here. So we're going to take it a lot further as we progress, but this is just the foundation.